Help me welcome my very good friend Stella, who's been with the Camel Company since our beginning. Stella, welcome.
Welcome. Thank you very much.
Stella, since we know each other 10 years, you've been supporting our products.
I think it's more than 10 years.
Even more than 10 years. Go ahead, tell us why you come here, why you love this product so much.
Well, first of all, I bought only one, and my daughter liked it, I like it. She took away, so I have to go and buy more. And ever since, I've been buying, especially for my grandson and my daughter, so many. Sometimes 3, and I sent to Poland.
Oh, all the way to Poland?
Yeah, all the underwear used to.
Yes?
Yes, and the socks I sent to 2 persons, really, with the knee and that. I sent them quite a bit. I think was women's show that time.
Yes, the women's show.
You were not there.
Yes,
so
there's
I don't
other.
remember. I saw the woman selling. And they like it, and I like it, and I'm supporting mostly my daughter and grandson, because my daughter have a cold hands and cold feet. So
tell us why, Stella, this is so good for cold hand and cold feet and little aches and pains. Why is it so special?
Because it's so warm and doesn't itch like my socks from Poland,
So,
which my sister husband make it because they have a sheep. And yeah, it's handmade, but it's too rough, too.
so
And it's not the warm as this.
the last time Stella brought this, says I want this made of camel, this very soft warmer, and so we showed this to our team in Mongolia, and they come up with this, Stella.
Yeah,
You just put your hand.
I forgot to bring you a little bit for that too.
What's the difference here, Stella? Just feel that. And you also have been wearing the gloves, I believe. Well, you didn't bring your gloves today, or you didn't have them.
No. The gloves, my friend, she bought it.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I brought you the money.
Well, you're gonna get a glove today just for
no.
teaching people. Tell us, why is this so good for arthritis, knee pain, things that you also are a very active community member. You're a member of your church.
Yeah, I just came back today from church.
You teach people there, you help out the organization, you enlighten people, you read a lot of amazing books. Stella brought me this amazing book,
True.
Slim Changes. And the other one is there, Stella. What is that one?
This one, Chapa, he's familiar like you about the success and that. He's very good author.
Deepak Chopra's 7 Spiritual Laws of Success. And when we share this information, it's for you guys to really Google it, find out why Stella's been supporting us, find out if it can benefit you and your family.
Yeah, if you're gonna try once like me, you're gonna, want them forever. And
Customers
make sure
for life.
when you wash them, one thing, don't twist them, just squeeze them gently. Yeah, and you don't need to wash them every day. You can keep them for 5-10 days even.
Ooh, a testimony of that. I've been wearing this for a week. It's no smell, no sweat, amazing. And now
it's
it comes
so soft and gentle, and it give you massage a little bit too.
massaging your feet, your ankles, wherever there's pain.
Yeah.
So I thank you so much, Stella.
That's beautiful too.
The other thing you do is you're very active physically.
Yeah.
How young are you, Stella?
I shouldn't say my age, but 75 and a half.
Wow.
September I'm gonna be 76.
Wonderful. What's the secret to keeping you young and active? You just walked, hold on, 3 kilometers to here. Am I correct?
And I walk to church and back. Half an hour there, half an hour back. Not always. My knee was so sore for 2 months. Now it's okay.
So the key is to walk every day, to pray. Tell me what some of your spiritual rituals. What do you do every day?
Well, I don't go to church every day, but I do pray at home and move. I got gardening and I eat 2 eggs every day. I shouldn't, but I love it.
Why not? It has a lot of the, you know, it's
And got
embryonic, right?
everything except vitamin C. And it's good cholesterol.
All of
That's amazing.
looking beautiful, Stella. Thank you so much, hey, everybody. If you
Thank
want,
you for the socks.
if you want to order some socks, if you want to get these into your retail store, Stella's also been sending me the Mr. Socks guy. Who's the guy who sells socks at a truck?
Yeah, did you meet him?
I haven't met him, but I'm gonna call him if you know somebody who wants to wholesale the product and, you know, serve your community, help out people who have little aches and pains, and be like Stella. I just love our customers, and they've been supporting us, and we want to get this message to rest of Canada and Poland and Russia and Ukraine and Japan and wherever people are pain, right?
Yeah, whenever it's cold.
Wherever it's cold. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Look forward to sending your pair of socks to your door.
Buy it.